Welcome to GC Ready Technologies. One small video where we store our Selenium test cases. Say, as part of automation testing, we create automated tests, test cases or test scripts where we store. Say, if it is Selenium, for example, Selenium WebDriver is there, powerful tool in this suite of tools. Selenium WebDriver. Powerful tool in Selenium's suite of tools. It is used to design and execute test cases. It doesn't have any user interface, only it is API, application programming interface. It is only API. For using Selenium WebDriver, we have IDE, Integrated Development Environment. See that IDE selection depends on programming platform. Suppose if you select Java for Selenium, then supported IDEs are Eclipse IDE, or IntelliJ, etc. Eclipse IDE is preferable. Next, if we use Python for Selenium, suppose if you use Python for Selenium, then preferable IDE PyCharm. Say using this IDE, Eclipse IDE or PyCharm or IntelliJ, we create our test cases. Selenium WebDriver doesn't have user interface. Suppose another tool in this Selenium suite, that is prototype tool, simple tool, Selenium IDE. It has interface, but Selenium WebDriver and Selenium IDE both are one-tier applications, desktop applications. These tools don't have database. No database for Selenium for storing its resources. Then where we store our Selenium test cases? We store our Selenium test cases on hard disk. See, observe. Suppose if we use Eclipse IDE for writing Selenium test cases, Eclipse IDE or PyCharm or IntelliJ, NetBeans, any IDE for storing resources, we use our hard disk. Observe. Suppose if it is Eclipse IDE, see program files, not program files, user, Eclipse IDE workspace folder is there. In this folder, this is default location for storing our Java programs as well as Selenium test cases. Observe, while launching Eclipse IDE, it asks for location. See, launch Eclipse IDE. See, during launching, it is asking for workspace path. If you don't want this path, you can change this path, no problem. This is default path. And one more thing, generally for practicing Selenium, we use that default location for storing our Selenium test cases. But in real time, we use framework. See, automation framework for optimizing our testing process. In this automation framework, we create a folder structure for storing automation resources folder structure. Okay, this folder structure will be stored on hard disk only, but for organizing our automation resources, we use folder structure for organizing our automation resources. See, test automation resources. What are the test automation resources in our Selenium testing? For example, object repositories. Next, for creating object repositories, we use page object model. Next, test data. Next, test cases. Before this one, reusable functions. Next, after executing test cases, test results, etc. These are test automation resources. We store our test automation resources in hard disk only. If it is Selenium testing, hard disk. See, in this framework folder structure, we create folder, main folder, next subfolders. For storing object repositories, one folder. For storing reusable functions, one folder. For storing test data, one folder. Test cases, another folder. Test results, one folder. And we organize all these folders on hard disk only. Why? Once again, I am telling, Selenium is one-tier application, desktop application. It doesn't have database. So we store our Selenium resources like object repositories, test data, test cases, reusable functions, test results, etc. on hard disk only. Okay. Here I told one thing. Selenium doesn't have database. It is one-tier application. Then is Selenium supports database testing? See, there is no relation with Selenium and database testing. Selenium is one-tier application, doesn't have any database, but that is not the concern for database testing. Actually, Selenium WebDriver doesn't support database testing, but with the help of our programming platform, we conduct database testing. With the help of our programming platform, we conduct database testing using Selenium. Suppose if we use Java, for Java, JDBC, Java database connectivity is there. For every programming language, if whether it is Java or Python, some other language, for every programming language having database connectivity feature. Using database connectivity feature of the programming language, we can connect to backend databases and conduct database testing using Selenium. Thank you.